What is sign magnitude convention? Generally, a negative number is a number with a prefix minus. But a machine which understands only the binary digits 0 and 1, how does it distinguish between a negative number and a positive number? This is possible by representing a number using either a sign magnitude convention or sign complement convention. Here we'll understand about sign magnitude convention. In sign magnitude convention, we write the binary number equivalent of decimal number first, and then place 1 to the front of it if the number is negative, and 0 if the number is positive. For example, to represent plus 5, we first write the binary equivalent of 5, which is 101, and then place 0 before the leftmost bit. And to represent minus 5, we first write 101, and then place 1 before the leftmost bit. Thus, sign magnitude convention is one of the methods to represent negative numbers in binary. In this method, we write the binary number first, then place 0 before the leftmost bit if the number is positive, and 1 if the number is negative. Note that the leftmost bit is used as a sign bit. Therefore, the range of numbers that can be represented using the sign magnitude convention is:
Related terms are